This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a Kitchenaid oven where the bake and broil do not spark, and this is due to a faulty safety valve. So we're going to pull the oven out and take off the back plate. This is what the safety valve looks like, and just some of the internal wiring has failed. So we want to make sure we unplug it and turn off the gas. And then this is what the safety valve looks like. So I've already taken off the gas valve. I took out these 4 screws that were holding it in, and then I had to wiggle it out from where it was pushed up into the bake tube or bake venturi. So we have to push down and then pull out. A little bit of wiggling involved. And these are the 3 wires that are part of controlling the spark. So when that fails, it will no longer spark and no longer let the gas in. So this is the old valve. And then we have a brand new one right next to it. We're going to use our multi-tester and set it for ohms of resistance. We're going to take an ohms reading from these 2 terminals of the old one, and we get infinite, showing that there's no resistance. The wire inside is broken. We compare it to the new one, hitting the same terminals. We do get a resistance value of 211 ohms, so we know that that's working. So this is the new one. We put the wires back on, and we're going to push it back into position. Make sure that the bake gas goes up into the bake venturi tube first. So we're going to get that in position and then kind of wiggle it in and up. And then we can put on the 4 screws to hold it in. So 1 in each corner. And we're just going to get those in tight. Then we can put in the 2 gas lines. 1 going to broil and 1 going up to the surface burners. And then we're going to put in the aluminum lines and then the brass fittings. Push them in, carefully thread them in, make sure that they go in easily by hand so they're not cross-threaded. And then once you get them hand tight, then turn about half a turn more with the wrench. Careful not to strip them out. We put some Teflon gas tape on this pipe side. We don't really even need it on the other side, but the side that goes into the valve, you do need the tape. Got that in tight, put on the gas line, made sure all our connections are tight, and then we put our back panel back on, and then we have to put in, I believe there's 8 small Phillips head screws to hold it in. And after testing, we got the clicking sound for both the bake and the broil, and both work perfectly. So I hope this helps you, and hope you get a chance to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.